It's so windy. We have an Eskimo over here. I am not. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's so windy. It's so windy. I'm going for shelter. Reporting from a fucking blizzard tornado.
This is what the blizzard's like. Blizzard in Canada. My hatch frozen.
Are you guys really recording this? What is
This from California.
We're not from here.
Yeah. If I went back there. San Diego.
This is my vlog. Don't interrupt my vlog.
I have hail on my face. I need a truck like this to get home.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm like absolutely frozen.
Okay.
How's what's up?
We need my microphone here.
It's so. 4G, 4th
You
generation.
can have one Rook and one after this.
The car alarm's going off. Perfect. It's on Audi? It's on. Everything else wasn't like here in Canada.
It's fucking awesome there. I wouldn't move anywhere.
Those guys still over there. Car alarm going off. Nothing like the blizzard in Canada. Fucking blizzard.
This is 1922 and I'm recording this from my 8mm vintage camera. We have a blizzard.
This before, except for it's freezing cold. It wasn't a blizzard. It was like minus 30 before. After Iron Man, remember you went to see Iron Man?
Yeah, except this is a lot worse.
Okay.
This
There's
is
a
fun.
link right here.
This always seems to happen when we get out of the movie
There's a
theaters.
link right here for the vlog. Me and Anthony did this before.
It's always the movie theater.
And it was freezing, but it was no blizzard. So, hey, we were dressed for that. We should finish watching Iron Man 2. So, link for that video right there.
We're going to Henry's. I'm sure they're still open.
I guess they're too sensitive. Great big car alarm, German engineer. Very good.
Okay, signing out. Good day.